Paulo Cruzada. You know Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, can you just stop harassing Patrick Tison? Even you threatened to hostage, who's it? Teacher Vincent Ramos and JP Arceo. You know Paulo Cruzada, ah, and you just leave them alone. You do not know what you were messing at. Even to make a bomb joke at Teacher Vincent Ramos and JP Arceo. You don't know what's their exact address. Anyway, for Paulo Cruzada and Dina Guillermo, can you just leave them alone? Even this, look, what does Paulo Cruzada says? Oh, you're saying, Paulo Cruzada, huh? And Dina Guillermo, if you're watching this, Teacher Vincent Ramos and JP Arceo, I suggest to both of you, you can leave the group chat. Umalis na lang kayo, like I said. Because this Paulo Cruzada, he has no moral lesson from his parents. Just like I said, wala siyang tinuturuan ng kung ano-ano. Like, he still keep attacking everyone. He still keep harassing everyone. I say again, Mr. Kulas Cruzada, the father of Paulo Cruzada, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, is this what your son have been raised to, this maniac person? Threatening and bullying others, including Jerick Silva, Teacher Vincent Ramos, who else? Joseph Maspinas, Teacher May Tiburcio, and the rest of the others. Mrs. Marion Cruzada, if your son is a special child, is this what you like, to threatening others? Even the CDI-FI former teacher who was not really working in there, and he was working in Emilio Aguinaldo International School. Mrs. Marion Cruzada, if I were you, just like I said to you, pagsabihan nyo to ang anak nyo po. Because if you continue attacking, if you continue to harassing everyone, if Paulo Cruzada saying about Bongbong Marcos, Paulo Cruzada is saying about ISIS, I say again, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, dapat pagsabihan nyo tong anak nyo. Like I said, you need to reprimand your son, because your son is out of control. Your son is still notorious and barbaric. And why did he still criticizing others, even Teacher Vincent Ramos? Paulo Cruzada, I want to tell you something. You have to leave Vincent Ramos alone, or Teacher Vincent. Like I said before, hindi ka inaano, Paulo Cruzada. If I say again, if I deliver all the airsoft gun to Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Vincent Ramos will use a pellet gun, he will shoot you a pellet gun into your eye, Paulo Cruzada. Subukan mo lang. Like I said, if you hostage Paulo Cruzada, Paulo Cruzada, subukan mo lang. Like I said, i-hostage mo si Teacher Vincent Ramos. If I tell to Teacher Vincent Ramos, use your pellet gun and shoot Paulo Cruzada into his eye, Teacher Vincent Ramos, order a pellet gun in Shopee, he order in Lazada, he will shoot you, at least he learns how to reload, He knows about tactical shooting. Oh. Subukan mo lang, Paulo Cruzada. Like I just want to tell you something. Remember, Teacher Vincent Ramos have trained in Indonesian Army. Oh. He's a special forces in Kopassus, right? You remember Kopassus? I was told by my former friend, Putri Jufrika, that Miss Indonesia, the candidate of Miss Earth 2025, she said to me, Kopassus is a Indonesian Special Forces. Oh, I talked to her in TikTok Live. It's a Special Forces of Indonesia. Oh, Teacher Vincent Ramos learns about tactical. Oh, he learns about close quarter combat. Oh, tactical shooting like in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Oh, subukan mo lang, Paulo Cruzada. Like if you threaten to hostage him, even his family, he will rescue his family from your death threat. Even you, Ate Dina Guillermo, subukan mo na lang kayong dalawa, like I said. They will, Teacher Vincent Ramos can do a tactical shooting or rescue operation. What else? Tactical shooting. Oh, at least look at him. Oh, he plays Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Oh, the reboot of 2022. Oh, he knows about tactical shooting. Oh, at least Paulo Cruzada, mag-ingat ka mananilita mo, like I said. You do not know who's you're messing in the first place. Even Teacher Vincent Ramos, he doesn't really know you. Hindi kanya kilala. Just like I said, if I add Carlos Santos Fernandez, Carlos, you have to save Teacher Vincent Ramos. He's a pro Duterte too. Oh, he's a Duterte supporter too, Teacher Vincent. If you save Teacher Vincent Ramos, Carlos, ikaw nang bahala, like I told him. Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself. If Teacher Vincent Ramos had reported to Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada, you are busted. It's just like in the Penis and Perv. You remember Candace had reported to her mom? Oh, the Penis and Perv are building a construction in the backyard. That will be happen. This is hard to say, Paulo Cruzada. Like I said to you, you need to stop this. Just like I said to you, Teacher Vincent doesn't do anything. Oh, you know that, Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, if I just want to tell you something, oh, you remember the Teacher Vincent Ramos, his pet dog had passed away. Oh, he has a pet cat. Oh, he's just like Tito Mac or Teacher May. Oh, they have a cat. Oh, his sister, Pinky, had adopt a Puspin cat from Pangasinan in Bolinao and bring it to Metro Manila. And then you said that before, Paulo Cruzada, you threatening to hostage that person? Paulo Cruzada, watch your words. If I say to you, Teacher Vincent Ramos will hunt you, both of you, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo.